Hello, everybody out there. In the last session of integers, we tried to understand why do we have these integers at all. And I'm sure you must have understood by now. This session, we'll find out which integer is greater than or lesser than or equal to. Let me give you a few sums like this. 3, 3 and 1. We surely know that 3 is greater than 1. What if we say 1 and 0? We know that 1 is greater than 0. What about -1 and -2? I need to draw a number line to understand this better. Let's draw a number line. So here we are. This is our number line. Yes? Zero, 1. Let me do it. Yes, let me write it faster. Oops, I have to write this part to avoid confusion. Yes. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes on, and on the side we have a negative integers, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So we all know that 3 is greater than 1. So you see that 3 is here and the 1 is here. So 3 is greater than 1, and therefore we have a greater symbol out here. 1 and 0, we have 1 here, 0 here. 1 is greater than 0. Let's take another example too, like 9 and 10. So we have the number 10 here. So 10 is greater than 9. So now what about these negative integers, -1 and -2? -1 is here, -2. If you represent two integers on the number line, we normally follow the fact that the number on the right is greater than the number on the left. So if you take the example of 3 and 1, 3 is on the right of 1, so 3 is greater than 1. Let's take the second example, 1 and 0. 1 is on the right of 0, so 1 is greater than 0. How about 9 and 10? 10 is on the right of 9, so 10 is greater than 9. So that is pretty much obvious that the number on the right is greater than the number on the left. So now you tell me -1 and -2, which is on the left? So -1 is on the left. So -1 is greater than -2. Let's take a few more examples. -2, -3. -2 is here, -3 is here. So -2 is on the right of -3, so -2 is greater than -3. So what I'm trying to tell you is every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. Do you agree? I repeat, we all know that if you look at a number line, the number on the right is always greater than the number on the left. So do you agree to the fact that all the positive integers, since you're on the right of the negative integers, all positive integers are greater than the number on the left? The next fact is 0 is greater than all negative integers. I'm sure 0 must be loving himself for that. He's greater now. Otherwise, he's always considered the least number, which has no value. But here, if you notice that 0 is greater than all negative integers, but less than all positive integers. Yes? So now let's take this number, 0 and -3. 0 is on the right side of -3, so 0 is greater than -3. Moreover, 0 is, please understand, 0 is neither positive nor negative. we cannot say that 0 is a negative integer or 0 is a positive integer. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Let's take the number 4 and 3. Of course, you know that 4 is greater than 3. 4 is here, 3 is here. 4 is to the right of 3, and we know that 4 is greater than 3. What about if we take negative 4 and negative 3? Who's on to the right side? Negative 3. So negative 3 is greater than negative 4. Right? Let's take one more example to make you understand better. 9 and 5. Of course, we know that 9 is greater than 5, so greater than 5. What about if it's negative 1 and negative 5? You have negative 9 here, you have negative 9 here, and negative 5 here. Negative 5 is on the right of negative 9, so negative 5 is greater. So let me recap that. 0 is less than every positive integer, since 0 is to the left of every positive integer. Next fact, 0 is greater than every negative integer, since 0 is to the right of every negative integer. And every positive integer is greater than every negative integer. I hope you enjoyed and understood this session. I urge you to subscribe to my channel as there are many more videos coming up. Thank you.